Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another video and it's gonna be a different video. I usually have some videos and I publish them every Wednesday at 4 p.m. and today it's another video again, but this will be about Pandora charms and bracelets and some necklaces. So here are some of the collections that I have, different bracelets from Pandora, and today we're going to check on how to clean them and how to maintain their brightness and to maintain the color of each of the bracelets and Pandora charms. So I have several Pandora. Let me just show it to you briefly. So I have the Pandora Essence, the small one, and every time there are sales on Pandora, I try to buy one. So I was able to collect some of their Pandora charms, and some are no longer available here in Singapore. I have some charms that I bought and ordered from New Zealand as well when I went for training. Before I go there, 1 week before, I'll try to order online and let it delivered to my hotel. So here is another one. These are Pandora charms, and I bought this here in Singapore through their online website. This is gold and this is rose gold. Okay, but as you can see here, it's quite tarnished. It's becoming black, so we'll try to clean them up. So I'll give you an idea or tip on how to clean Pandora charms and bracelets and how to store them if you're not going to use it. Okay, so this is one box. I also have this from Pandora. This is from Pandora. It's actually free when you buy a certain amount of Pandora charms. Okay. Then here is another one. I never used this. I just bought this because it was 50% off through their online portal. But as you can see here, it became black. So let's see whether we can still clean this and return to its original form. So it's quite tarnished. It's now becoming black. This was actually shiny silver, but now it became gray color. So we'll see whether we can still clean and restore its own form. Okay. I also have some bracelets. So this is a mix of gold and silver. A friend of mine, when she went to Paris, I asked her to buy a Pandora bracelet. This was not actually my original request, but the one that I wanted is no longer available, and then she showed me this and I quite like it. I've been using this several times when I go to work. So the lock is in gold, this is in gray, and this is in gold as well. But it's quite not very shiny anymore, so we'll see when we try to clean this up. Okay, I also have bought a Pandora Ring. I bought this in Auckland and New Zealand when I went there for training during our free time or off day. We go to the city and then we went to Pandora in New Zealand because it's quite it's cheaper than in Singapore. So buying a Pandora in Auckland or in Australia is cheaper than in Singapore. So I also have this charm. So as you can see, it became darkened as well. So we'll see whether we can still clean this up and make it shiny. So this is made up of rose gold, but it's no longer a rose gold. It became grayish with a little bit of red. I don't know, the color have changed. So we'll see whether we can still clean. And yes, this is another Pandora box that I have. Okay, the next one is the bigger one. I bought this from Carousel, the box, the Pandora box. As you can see, it's quite very nice, and it's roomy inside. There's a lot of place for you to put. So all my Pandora charms, I can put it inside this one, the steel stick. Okay, so these two are Sakura charms and became also darkened now. I bought this as a second hand from a friend of mine. She bought this, I think, in the US. Okay, so these are Pandora Sakura, because it is the cherry blossom. Okay, we will try to clean this up. So this is a strawberry charm. Okay, this is the first one that I bought from Pandora in Singapore. Okay, so it's a strawberry representing Baguio City. That's why I bought this, because Baguio City is a very memorable city for me, so I bought this. And then a stopper. I seldom use it because I do not have a lot of charms anymore that I need to have a stopper. Okay. Then these are the first charms, few charms that I bought first. One is the windmill representing Amsterdam. So mostly all the charms that I bought have some meanings and the places that I have visited. So this is from Amsterdam, the windmill, and this represents traveling because I love traveling. And then Paris, of course. When I went to Paris, I wanted to have a charm, and this is the Eiffel Tower. But I did not buy this in Paris. I bought this in Singapore, representing Paris. And then passport. Okay, so it's a passport charm because I really love to travel. Okay, then I also have this Pandora bracelet. I forgot the name. I'll just put in the link below. What's the name of this Pandora bracelet? Basically, it's just something like this, and then you can add on some charms on it. And the charms that I bought, I have here, I think this is bumblebee. Okay, so you can just clip it off into the bracelet. So it also changes the color. It was rose gold before, or I think it's gold. It changed because I never use it for, I think, a year now, and it's exposed to air. Then another charm, and just clip it into the bracelet. I will be cleaning this as well, so I will show you how to clean this. Then I also have here my Pandora necklace. So it's just a small, very thin necklace. And then this is the pendant that I bought as well from Pandora. So this is heart. Okay, and another charms that I bought is this. This is the air balloon and two Murano in blue. And this is a key. It's like a key ring. So there are some tarnish as well, so let's see whether I can still clean it. Same with the Murano. Okay, so let's start on how we are going to clean this Pandora bracelets, charms, and so on. Okay, let's just try to remove this. Just press into the heart shape and then remove all the charms.
Someday all the people that I love will move on. Someday all the places
so this is very beautiful as well.
Someday
You can use this as a pendant, and then within this circle you can put some more charms. Okay, so let's start how to clean these Pandora charms, bracelets, necklaces, and so on by the following. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to put a purified water without any impurities. So we make sure that it is a clean water. I'm using a mineral water, and mineral water, just put it inside. Make sure that it will not overflow the water. Let's follow the maximum volume of water. Okay, just put it like that. Okay, so just nice. And we put inside our Pandora. First thing that I'm going to put are my let's see, what should I put first? Okay, this one, and then soak this as well. So as you can see, it's really darkened. Okay, let's see whether it will be cleaned.